Hi there, I'm Jeff from RUBI UK, and I'm here to talk to you about the new RUBI E-10 cordless mixer. Okay, so what we have here is the RUBI E-10 cordless mixer. Your battery comes with it, and also your paddle and your extension bar for the paddle, which just screws together like so, and also your charger. It's got a fast-in adapter, so basically put it back, drop it in, and that's how you fit your paddle. And it's quick release as well to take it out. It's a brushless motor, so less maintenance on the machine. Ergonomic handle for stability and durability, and a variable speed switch on the mixer as well. It's also got the safety system, so you can't start the mixer without pressing the button and holding it in. Okay, so now we've got the cordless mixer set up and ready to go. Just a couple of things to show you on the mixer. As with the variable speed on the mixer, the slower you pull the trigger, the more you pull it, the faster it will go. Okay. Also, you still have your variable speed, so your 2 speed settings there, and you can turn that around, so that's in speed 2 and that's in speed 1. Okay. You must have the speed selector following the paddle. Okay. What we're going to do now is we're also going to mix up some adhesive with it, just to show you what it looks like. The other advantage of having a cordless mixer is not having to have cables and stuff trailing around whilst you're using your mixer. And obviously if there's no power where you're working, it's an added bonus because you've got your cordless mixer on the van. So let's mix up some adhesive and see what it does.